Now, he equates man with God. I've just quoted from the 9th of Mark and the 19th of Matthew. In Mark, it's man. All things are possible to him who believes. In Matthew, he tells a story. Tells the rich young man to go sell everything if you want to enter the kingdom of heaven. Sell it all and follow me. And then he was disheartened because he had so many things, so many possessions. And then he said it's easier for the camel to enter through the door, through the needle's eye, than a rich man to enter heaven. Then the disciple says, well then who can be saved? He said, with men it is impossible, but with God all things are possible. With men who do not know who they are. That's what he means. With men who do not know the Lord's name. Those who know thy name put their trust in thee. For thou, O Lord, would not forsake those who seek thee, if I know his name. Now let us look for his name as revealed in Scripture. Moses said to God, if I go to the Israelites, I say to them that the God of your forefathers has sent me to you. And they say to me, what is his name? What shall I say? God said to Moses, say, I am. That is who I am. Just say, I am, have sent you. For that is my name forever. By this name I shall be known throughout all generations. I have no other name. Just be aware. To be aware is to say, I am. Without uttering one sound, just to be aware. That is I am. That is God.